Hey everyone, hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'll be talking about a unique and a powerful Android launcher known as Lynx. I'll give you a brief overview about the features that this launcher has to offer, and I'll also show you how you can customize this launcher. This launcher is free to download, but you can also go for the paid version if you want to. And the free version of the launcher offers great features as well. And in this video, I'll be talking about the free version only. First of all, let me talk about the main home screen, which is quite unique here, as you can see from the position of these dock icons. However, you can change the position of these icons to the left or to the right side, and you can also customize it to different shapes. If you want to disable this dock completely, you can do that by heading over to launcher settings, which I'll show you in a moment. And there's a search bar on the home screen where you can search for the applications installed in your system, or you can also use it to search on Google or Google Play Store. You can also use this search bar to search for contacts, and you can also perform calculations. If you long press on the home screen, you would be able to change the wallpaper, add widgets, and access the launcher settings. The default swipe up action will take you to the desktop, and the default swipe down action will open this search bar. But you can customize these settings by going to the launcher settings, which I will show you in a moment as well. And swiping to the left side from the home screen will take you to the list of installed applications. And if you long press on any application, you will be able to hide the application, and you can also change the icon from the list of icon packs installed in your device. Now let me go back. And swiping to the right side from the home screen will take you to the favorites page, where you will see your most used applications. You can also customize this favorites page in the launcher settings. Now let me directly take you to the launcher settings. I'll go to home screen and I'll long press on the home screen, go to launcher settings. And under home screen settings, you can change the number of columns, and you can also change the icon and text size. And you can also enable or disable the home screen clock if you go to this date and time settings. Now let me go back first. And if you want to enable or disable the home screen dock, you can do that by going to the dock settings here, and you can directly disable the dock here. Now let me go back first. And under this application list, you can change the layout, number of icons per row, and you can also change the icon and text size here. Now if you want to make any change to the favorites page, you can go to this favorites section. And for example, if you want to hide the contacts in the favorites page, you can do that here by turning this option on or off. And you can also exclude the applications appearing in the favorites page. If you want to customize the search bar on the home screen, you can do that by going to this search option. And you can also completely enable or disable the search bar here. And you can also exclude some components from appearing in the search bar. If you go to this include search for, you can choose the components here. And you can also customize the icon and text size in the search bar here. If you go to this icon section, you can customize the icon size as well as the text size here. And as I told you in the beginning, swiping up on the home screen will take you to the desktop. And if you go to this desktop settings here, you will be able to change the number of rows and columns as well as the icon and text size here. In customization section under this appearance, you will be able to change the theme to dark or light, and this launcher has some of the themes of its own as well. And if you tap on this launcher, you can download and apply those themes as well here. And you will be able to change the icon packs and customize the stats bar here in this appearance settings. And other options under this customization section include the changes related to notifications, folder options, gestures, and you can also hide the applications here, and you can also create a backup of your launcher settings under this save and restore option. Overall, I can say that this is a well-balanced launcher with unique look and great features. You can try the free version of the launcher first and go for the premium version if you enjoy the launcher. And the premium version is for 65 Indian rupees, and it would be under $1 outside. So that's all I wanted to share about this launcher. And if I missed any features, you can comment down below and I would be happy to reply. And I'll also make sure to place the download link in the video description. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will receive continuous updates from this channel. You can also join me on other social media platforms. I will place all the links in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.